Okay, so we are going to start a new course today. In order to get back to the Start a New Course button, be sure that you come over here and click on the McKinney ISD logo. That will get you back to your user dashboard. You can also come here and you can see you also have the Start a New Course button here as well. So what we're going to do is we are going to click Start a New Course. And what this does is this starts a course so that when we arrive in the fall, you can put your section enrollments, which would be the enrollments that are going to be pushed to you automatically into this course. So this is where you will build all your course content for the remainder of this course. And then during the school year, you'll be able to add quizzes, assignments, and all of the content for the course that you'll be teaching next year. All right, so I'm going to name this course, let's see, Miss Gavin's English 2. All right, so the short name, that's just what you will see in the breadcrumb trail, which I'll show you that in a moment. So maybe I'll just call this E2. You can leave the content license alone, and then you won't want to make the course publicly visible. So after you've done that, you're going to click on Create Course. Now, Canvas will automatically take you to your course that you've just created. As you can see here, here's that little short name that we gave the course. If you don't like that, you can always come over here to Settings, and you can actually change it right here. So maybe I want to just call it Miss G. I'll come down here, update course details. And now you can see that is different. All right, so let's go back home. This over here on the left is called your course navigation. Now, anything that is in gray, that's because we haven't added anything to it yet. So if we were to add a page, this would become bold. Now, you can follow the course setup checklist in Canvas, importing content, adding course assignments, adding students to the course, if you would like. We're going to go through that through the duration of this course, but if you want to go ahead and go through that, you may. The next thing that we will want to do is we will just want to give our course a front page. Now, there are lots of different front pages that you can choose for your Canvas course. Over here in the course navigation today, just for the purpose of simplicity and to get everything started, we're going to click on the syllabus. Now, what you can do from here is you can click on Edit Syllabus Description, and this will open what is called the Rich Content Editor. The Rich Content Editor will be the same for anything that you create in Canvas. An assignment, an announcement, it's all the same, which is nice. So if you currently have a syllabus already made, probably the best thing to do would be just to take that document and just copy and paste it right here. So I can just take a document and I can copy and paste it. And so I'm just going to add some text here. Welcome to English 2. And so right here, I could add a picture if I would like. Let's say I just want to go to Flickr and just find something that's in the Commons. So let's just type in, let's see what we find if we type in English. Oops, try that again. All right, so I like this picture right here, so I'm going to take that one. I'm going to update it, and as you can see there, it automatically put that picture in there. You can also add math equations if you would like. You can record media. So you'll have to give it access to your microphone, and then you can actually record yourself saying welcome class. Or maybe if you want to give video instructions to your students, you can do that as well. You can also upload media. So maybe you had an iMovie that you created or an audio file. You can upload that as well. So I'm going to update my syllabus. Okay, so this is what my students will see when they click on the syllabus in the course navigation. Now, what we will want to do to make this our home page is we'll need to come over here to home. And we need to choose our home page. So what I want to make my home page, as you can see, you have several different options here. But for training and simplicity purposes, we're going to choose the syllabus. So I'm going to click Save. And now this is my syllabus. Now, if you will notice here, you can see only teachers can see this course until it is published. Everything in Canvas has to be published. So if you want to hide or unhide things, you can publish. It's very easy. Or you can unpublish. So please make sure that you've gone in and published your course so that I'll be able to see it and your students will be able to see it. Now, you may be wondering, what does this look like to a student? You can actually come over here to Settings in the course navigation. And you can click on Student View. So anytime you want to know what a student sees, you can just use that feature in Settings. Now remember, you are in a student view, so if you want to get back to the instructor view, you'll have to click Leave a Student View.